the sky's gray on this work day, you're just playing along, just to see the day through. You're lonely and blue. Writings on the window, there's a deep longing sigh. You're far off in thought, your heart's grown all cold. It would be fun if you could sing a song. Let it rain, rain. It's the perfect weather for contemplating. Let it rain, rain. For after such weather, sunshine will come. The rainbows and the laughter and the serious smile, it's teasing you, pal, like it's coming to get you. Oh, they wish for you to be happy again, but you're locked up inside. You're missing your cue. Feeling weary, stop running away. You're finding it hard to breathe. Let it rain, rain. It's the perfect weather for contemplating. Let it rain, rain. For after such weather, sunshine will come. Let it rain, rain. It's the perfect weather for contemplating. Let it rain, rain. For after such weather, sunshine will come. For after such weather, sunshine will come.